व्हाट्स अप गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो भाई क्या सीन है आज का मैं बता देता हूँ। मौसम एकदम बढ़िया है और मेरी आज भी छुट्टी है, रात को जॉब पे जाना है। यार एक काम करता हूँ, ये ब्लॉग इंग्लिश में बनाता हूँ। ये ब्लॉग है ना मेरी कैनेडियन दोस्त है उसके साथ होगा और उसकी एक यंगर सिस्टर है। हम जा रहे हैं बॉलिंग के लिए, तो ब्लॉग को शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी बकवास के। और बने रहिए ब्लॉग में, मस्त ब्लॉग होगा क्योंकि मैं पहली बार बॉलिंग करूँगा। वो जो बॉलिंग क्या होती है मैं बता देता हूँ। वो जो गोटी सी रखी रहती है ना, उसको बॉल मार के फेंक के गिराते हैं, वही सीन है। अभी दिख जाएगा आपको जो भी है। तो मिलते हैं वहाँ पे। अभी बस में कुछ दिखेगा दिखा दूँगा बढ़िया सा, मतलब क्या बढ़िया सा दिखेगा दिखा दूँगा, ठीक है। और मिलते हैं फिर बाद में। देख रहे हो भाई, कन्वर्टेबल कार। और ये है वो बॉलिंग एरिया जहाँ पे हम बॉलिंग करेंगे। मतलब सैम जैसी क्यों लग रही है पता नहीं, छोड़। एंड दैट्स द सैम्स डैश ट्रक।
I do. I'll do that too. Oh, it looks so good. Yeah, it's gonna be teal next week. Yeah.
She got her hair colored.
Yeah. Wash with cold water.
This vlog is gonna be in English, so you can watch that as well.
Oh, it's gonna be an English one.
Yeah, that's gonna be an English one. So here I am with Sam. That's my friend. You give a brief introduction about you. How I know you.
We actually met during our first orientation.
Yeah. I was the one who said hi to you first.
Yeah, I am not good when it comes to meeting people.
Okay, so where are we gonna go? Fleetway. I'll show you that.
Nah, that was on the show.
Oh,
Dad needed to get out of the house before he killed little brother.
Let's just sit there.
Which one? Was that the Fleetway one?
No, back in my home, my small town where I live with all my friends from high school.
Oh, like what was the?
Oxford.
2,000 years later.
It's a small town. It's just our local
okay.
bowling alley.
Yeah.
There's only one
Mainly.
town.
When I do vlogging and I'm speaking English, it's very bad. I don't know why it is, but here we are. It is. It looks like. And I'm hungry as well. Are we allowed to shoot a video here? I think we are because it's a social thing.
Yeah, I mean, it's a public area, so technically we should.
Oh yeah, I think so. Do we have to change our shoes?
We can bring our shoes with us. But there's specific.
Because of you, I'm also like, not today, but I usually wear different socks. just because of you.
I'm too lazy to pair them, so.
Yes, I'm gonna tell my audience how much they charge.
Okay. Right there.
Where?
It's on the screen.
Okay. Yeah, there it is. 6 here. 4 people, $11 an hour. अभी दिखाता हूँ भाई मैं आपको प्राइस। Okay, I'm gonna show you the price. I started speaking Hindi. I'm sorry. तो भाई हमें ये जूते बदलने पड़ते हैं। ये जूते मिलते हैं शायद, ये नॉन स्लिप और समथिंग है। और वो है प्राइस इसका। Where it is?
I don't know which ones they are from here, but they're showing up there on the sign.
Fudge and crunch cake. She suggested us that fudge and crunch cake is the best. Let's see someday. I'll give it to you on your birthday. Cake on birthday. Let's see her reaction. Introduce yourself a little bit.
Ollie, gay. Yeah. I don't do well on camera.
Cut.
So.
What you guys are doing?
We don't know. We do stuff like this all the time.
भाई $50 यहाँ पे।
42. That's a 9 men's, in case you're wondering.
Okay, that's good.
Do you need receipt?
Yes, please. भाई कार्ड भूल गया। अरे ये कब से इतना मोटा कैसे लग
Oh, wait,
रहा
wait, never mind. My brain went blank.
है? I think that's tight for me.
And my front full or half size.
Yeah.
Is pocket.
You're ready. I am forgetting again and again that I'm vlogging in English.
Did you just fall back to the Hindi?
Yeah. And you know what? I've been to a club. There I was talking to a person and I was really comfortable with him. I started speaking Hindi with him. And he was like, what are
You
you?
went to a club?
Huh?
You went to a club?
Yeah, like it was not like.
Oh, we went past.
What's that?
My shoes?
What's
And a wallet? Or not a wallet, a watch.
That's a wallet? Oh my god, that's a good wallet. और भाई ये देखो ये इधर उधर. Oh, I again forgot that I am making this vlog in English. So guys, see that's how bowling looks like. Now,
Oh, that's a nice breeze.
H-A-R-R-Y.
What? They're the Y?
R-R-Y.
They're the Y?
No, I that's my nickname.
Oh. Right. Forgot about that. Right, got it. This breeze is nice.
Just pardon.
Okay. There's a breeze. I'm gonna do a photo. And when you're samples involved. Oh, right.
So we have to pick a ball.
That'd be more chaotic though. Yeah, but it
I
could
didn't even realize that they give us the same ball again.
If that one's too heavy, you can always get a lighter one.
Make sure the video is over.
It's going, don't worry.
Knowing you wouldn't need to play it.
I mean, you're right, but it doesn't mean. Oh.
So there
There's
we.
a way to do that. Probably, yeah. No, I know there is, because Anna told me there was a way. That's Anna. Okay. Ready for go.
All right.
Don't throw it back like I did.
I don't know. I don't know you. I think. There you go. So oily. Why so oily?
It has to be slides across the. It makes it so that way you don't get stuck.
Okay.
Probably more embarrassing, Sam.
Let's. Oh.
And it's into the gutter.
That was nice.
I landed. It stayed on longer. Yeah. Sam, do you want pointers? Yeah. Okay. That might have been my best start the whole time.
Oh. All right.
Back. And then front. Okay.
You know what, Sam? I also want the lighter one. The pink one. Specifically chosen. If I speak bad English, spare me. I'm not really good at it while vlogging. I gave myself a target. If I'll get 5,000 subscribers, I will buy whatever phone they will say. My subscribers.
You would though. I would, but I'm not going to. Touch it. I'm gonna try moving off to the side. Have fun.
So.
Throw it straighter. I'm trying. Okay.
Okay, drop it with your muscles. The muscles. Dang the bag le फेंकती होते हैं. Please get it. Oh. Hey. Let's watch her technique, guys. Go ahead. Almost. Oh, how's the shoes looking like? Hey. तो भाई सैम के पॉइंट देखो.
I know, I'm bad. What help? Yes.
Okay. You're just a baby.
I am just a baby. I'm just a baby.
Oh, she wants.
I'm gonna show you with the ball. And I'm gonna throw. You want to throw like this? And then.
I think that music will give me copyright. I'm sure.
Nice. This is my baby. I have little baby arms. I'm just a baby. Just a baby.
Oh.
Don't pop it. I'm a baby.
भाई देखो ये आर्केड गेम होते हैं सारे और यहाँ पे हम बॉल ढूंढ रहे हैं bowling balls. Alright. So that's my turn and I have 26 and she have 29 and Sam is winning.
And then let the game.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Do it. Recording. Felt better. That's what matters. You just throw the ball, my friend. Nice.
So
Hold on. Come on, Tim. Do lesbian throw.
she got it.
We found out the problem. Oh.
I got a video of that. Yay, the gate. So basically what we just did, we just asked him to pause the game
Yep.
and we are going to get ice cream.
Ice cream.
I'm craving pizza or something, like not very spicy or something.
They do have hot sauce too.
Okay, let's see what we are gonna do. So wait 5 minute cover. Oh, we took a 5-minute break from the bowling and we're here for food. So if you are wondering that why I'm here to end the video because that video was really long. It was in like around half an hour video. So I have to split it in 2 parts. I'll see you in next video and I'll upload the next part soon. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it and yeah, that's all. Wait for next part, okay?